In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add and use templates in Anytype. If you want to save time and keep your workspace consistent, templates are a really useful feature. They let you create a reusable layout for things like pages, notes, or tasks. So instead of building the same structure over and over, you can apply it in just a few clicks. To get started, open the Anytype app on your device and go to the space where you want to add a template. This is important because templates are created within a specific space, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right one before you begin. Next, look at the top left corner of the app and click on the space icon. This will open a menu where you can manage different parts of that space. From there, select object types. This section is where Anytype lets you customize the kinds of content you create and how they behave. Now choose the specific object type you want to create a template for. For example, you might pick page if you want a standard page layout, note if you want a reusable note format, or task if you want a structured task setup. The key here is to select the same object type you plan to use later because the template will only appear for that type. Once you're inside the object type settings, scroll down until you find the templates section. Then click the new template button. This opens a fresh template that you can customize however you like. Give your template a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. After that, start designing the layout by adding the elements you want to reuse. You can include text blocks, headings, or properties depending on how you want your content to be structured. A good template should make future work faster, so it helps to keep it practical and easy to fill in. When your layout is ready, click the back arrow in the top left corner. Anytype saves the template automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. That makes the process quick and simple. To use your new template, create a new page using that same object type. When the template options appear, select the one you just saved from the list. Anytype will then open a new item using your prepared structure, so you can start working right away. That's all it takes to set up templates in Anytype.